Hello, my distinguished strangers. My name is Sam, and welcome to Jetlag. Have you ever wondered how much it actually costs to survive a day in Indonesia without selling a kidney? Well, today I'm putting my wallet on the witness stand. From my hotel to buying souvenirs I collect from every country I visit to getting a fresh shave so I don't look like I've been lost in the jungle for 3 weeks, and even tracking down one of the cheapest Indo-Pakistani restaurants in Yogyakarta. I'm counting every rupiah. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much a full day in Indonesia really cost and whether your bank account would survive the trip better than mine. So let's dive in. Hide in your fire, fool me with kisses, took me high.
What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So came back to the same place where I was a few nights ago.
Before we start emptying my wallet, let me show you my hideout in Yogyakarta. This is the Avian Hotel. It cost me around 25 US dollars a night, breakfast included. For 25 bucks, I wasn't expecting luxury. I was hoping the Wi-Fi was faster than the mosquitoes. But this place genuinely surprised me. Clean room, comfy bed, a balcony with a proper ventilation. Basically everything a tired backpacker can dream of. Breakfast was included too, but it turns out breakfast and I are in a long distance relationship. $25 well spent. My wallet didn't just approve, it almost left a 5-star review.
Just did my tickets and all for my upcoming trip, and now I'm going towards to buy some souvenir. Yes, that day when I was checking out from this hotel, actually the manager who is working here, he told me like there is one shop where I can find the flags and the fridge magnets. Other than that, I haven't seen anywhere they're selling it, so I'm just gonna go down there and see if it's available or not. I've already ordered the cab, so it's on the way. Bike taxi to be precise. So once I go there, I'll speak. So I came out and it's showing bike taxi driver is around like 2 minutes away, but it's pitter pattering here. I hope that it's not a bad timing or I won't be stuck. I'm pretty hungry right now because early in the morning I had something from the same shop where I ate it last night, some cheese, whatever. I was thinking that I'll go first buy my souvenir and then I need to buy something for my GoPro as well again. Yes, I'm almost done with my memory card, so I need to buy myself a new memory card, and of course the battery is not helping me out, so I'm gonna check a new battery as well if I'm lucky enough to find it. And then let's see. I hope the plans will not fall away. So once my text, I think he's here. Okay, Sam, yes. Okay, so once I go to the place, I'll speak. So I've reached that place. Let's see if I can find it or not. I think I'll get it because someone just told me to go to the second floor. Probably they have it over here. Let's see. Overall, this looks like a big stationery with a lot of options here. Let's see. Got the flags. Pretty happy now. Finally, one thing is done, but they don't have a fridge magnet. But I think I'll get it somewhere else. But luckily, I got the flag, so I'm pretty happy and relieved now. And also, they have these things for painting. I wish if I can get a lot of oil colors. Oh man, it's like a paradise for me. But obviously, I can't take it. Man, they have big jars of colors and all. Wow. Also the oils, I believe. These are the inks for the fountain pen. Wow. Nice. Brushes. Wow, man. I have to get out of here because I'm getting tempted. Spray paint. Oh man, acrylic color. Oh, there was oil and a lot of brushes. Wow, man. Totally a paradise. Okay, I better get myself out of here. I think this is the most cheapest flag that I've ever bought. In Cambodia, I bought one flag. It was around $1, and here I paid 6,400, and which will be like, let me assume, I think 30 cents, 40 cents, man. And I got two piece. One piece is like 3,200, man. Can't expect it to be more cheaper. So let me go to the next stop now, which will be the GoPro or maybe food. Let's see. It's raining heavily and I got stuck. Also put a wrong location, so I don't know, man. Let's see how I'm gonna get out. I'm already soaked in, let me show you. Already soaked pretty much. My pants are already wet. I know you can't see it, but it is what it is. What to do, man?
After spending the last few days interrogating with ChatGPT, cross-examining Google, and accidentally volunteering my stomach for highly rated restaurants, I finally found this place. It's a little outside of the mainstream town, but it's absolutely worth the trip. The prices were so reasonable, even my wallet looked confused. My plan was simple: eat, give it a quick review, and disappear. But while I was eating, the owner came over and said, "Come back tomorrow and I'll show you what we're really known for." Now, my curiosity has gotten me into trouble before, but this time it actually paid off. I'll show you why at the end of this video.
So, it's a brand new day. Today I was like, did little personal stuff. Like I went to the Decathlon, the same mall where I was few days ago, like I think a week ago. So over there, I bought one pant from Decathlon. It cost me something like 300,000, and also a little lock and some personal belongings for my journey. I don't have any complaints with the country. I think it's just the bad timing, bad circumstances that I'm facing here. There's a reason I'm not able to explore. First few days I was sick, and then every time it can rain. When I was arriving here from that mall, it rained a little. I was there in that shop. I was thinking to get myself a spare battery for my GoPro, because as I've mentioned that my batteries are not that stronger like it used to be. So I was thinking to get a spare battery, but unfortunately they don't have it.
After checking out a few GoPro and DJI stores, I finally accepted the harsh reality. My camera is officially old enough to be considered vintage. Last year in Vietnam, I somehow managed to find a spare battery. This year in Indonesia, even the shopkeepers looked at my camera like it belonged in a museum. So instead of arguing with fate, I gave up my mission. With the rain happily dancing on my head and my camera running purely on the hope and optimism, I decided to make the best of what I had.
So it is what it is. I think I have to bear with it, and I'm pretty much full with the memory card as well. So I'll look for a memory card now. So let's see what to do. I have certain plans. Let's see where this day takes me. First, let me find myself a memory card. I was there at the mall. I was not recording anything because it was the same mall, and honestly speaking, the mall is a place which creeps me out. I don't know why. I don't know, I'm not a mall person. I went there just for the Decathlon to buy myself that thing, because obviously the Decathlon is a good brand, especially for travelers and people who are seeking adventures. That's the reason I went there and didn't feel like to record anything. And now I'll look for a shop where they're selling memory card, and let's see if I get it or not. Just walking around and found this cute little bus stop. It looks so photogenic, right? Oh, it looks so cute.
Well, people says when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. In my case, life gave me an old camera, no spare batteries, and a very wet afternoon. So instead of crying over electronics that clearly belonged in another decade, I decided to enjoy the little things, like this tiny bus stop. Sometimes that's all you need. No battery, no problem. A good mood is fully rechargeable. So with my optimism charged to 100%, it is time for the next mission of the day. Finding a barber brave enough to fix this face.
Came to this part by walking, and as you can see, they have a lot of options like some such as clothing stores, local shops, of course street food as well. So I'm thinking maybe I should do a little shaving. I never tried shaving anywhere in my life so far. I haven't went to the barber shop just for shaving up. Of course I went to the barber shop to cut off my hair, but I never tried anything apart from that. So but today I'm thinking to get myself a shave. Let's give it a try for the first time ever in my life. So they have a barbershop over there, so let me go and find out the prices and let's see. Do you have shaving? How much rupiah? 20,000. Okay, sure. Yes. You want that? Huh? Content, yes. I love the songs My Chemical Romance. Yeah, my favorite band.
campagna per un barbiere, vita più nobile non si dà. Rasori e petri, lancette forbici agli comando, tutto questa. Rasori e petri, lancette forbici agli...
Which part? Number 2 and 3 2 and 3 or 2 or maybe 3 holiday Jogja. Holiday in Jogja. Yeah, holiday and vlog. Oh. Thank you. Let me know in the comments what you think about my new plain shape look with a little bit of French cut. Thank you. Thanks, brother. I'll see you. Oh, and there was raining. I'm glad that I went inside and get myself a trimming or shaving, whatever you name it. So what happened is yesterday, as you have seen, that I went to one Indian restaurant, not Indian restaurant, a Pakistani restaurant, you know. I was having my dinner over there and I showed you guys a little about the food and all. It was good, no complaints. And I spoke to the owner and like he requested me to come back today again and make a vlog, and he's going to cook something special. So of course I can't deny that anyway. So once the rain will stop, I'll make my move from here. After soaking myself into the rain, finally I've reached the restaurant which I was mentioning and where I was last night. As you can see, the name is called Marhaba Restaurant. They have good food, specialized in Pakistani cuisine, which I adore, you know, because they have the best option in meat. And I've already ordered, you know. I was there and I was speaking for a few minutes. They made me beef biryani, and along with it I have also ordered the same thing which I had yesterday, which is beef korma with some roti. So of course it's gonna be good. It looks like the authentic way, the way they make it in Karachi. The owner is from the Karachi. He's inside the kitchen right now. Once he'll come out, I'll introduce you to him and he'll say things about his shop, like how he came to this place and what's his story, you know. So it looks so delicious and mouth-watering, and the smell is really awesome, which you can't get it through this camera, right? Let me give it a bite. Of course it's gonna be good. Authentic. Big thumbs up.
Hi.
Sir, please tell your name.
Okay, my name is राजा जिशान. English
English, Urdu, जैसा आपको अच्छा लगता है.
Okay, मेरा नाम राजा जिशान है and I'm the owner of restaurant मरहबा. और ये मेरी पहली ब्रांच है यहाँ पे इंडोनेशिया में. और मेरा कुजीन जो है वो बेसिकली पाकिस्तानी है, अरब है, और हमारे पास बिरयानी है, स्पेशली फ्राइड चिकन है हमारे पास, एंड फिर हमारे पास चिकन कढ़ाई, बीफ कढ़ाई है जो सैम भाई बताएंगे. इन्होंने कल भी खाई थी और आज भी फिर ट्राई कर रहे हैं हमारी. और बाकी सारा खाना आपके सामने है हमारा.
प्राइजेस?
ओके, प्राइजेस हमारी जो स्टार्टिंग प्राइस है वो लोकल करेंसी में 10,000 है और 10,000 से लेकर 39,000 तक पर मील हमारा है इस तरह.
अब नॉर्मली बात करो, इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स काफ़ी महंगे होते हैं, आप तो बहुत ही कम प्राइस पे.
यस, मेरा जो टारगेट ऑडियंस है ना वो यहाँ पे है स्टूडेंट्स. तो मैं स्टूडेंट्स को अपने साथ लेके जो है ना चल रहा हूँ. तो मेरा भी यही है कि सबसे पहले तो अपना एक तो ब्रांड बिल्ड करो, ठीक है, एंड देन उसके साथ साथ फिर अपनी ये सारी चीज़ों को करो, सेटल डाउन करो ऐसा.
Nice. That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, now again I have ordered this beef korma with some roti. Looks like the way we eat it in our house. It's just the same. Really mouth-watering, and look at the size. और इसका प्राइस कितना है?
रोटी का 5,000 रुपये है.
5,000.
5,000.
5,000. In 5,000 you're getting that big quantity roti here in Indonesia, and the taste, like I've already mentioned in my last video, the taste is really good. So let me just dive in. Sorry that I forgot to mention the address. Can you please mention the
Okay,
address?
so is it located in Yogyakarta? Is mid of Java Island, and restaurant name is Restaurant Marhaba at Jalanusa Inda Chono Chatur.
Oh, thank you.
After an amazing meal and an even better conversation, I decided to head to a place you'll have to wait until the next vlog to see. I know I'm becoming one of those YouTubers trying to create suspense, and if you have made it this far, you either genuinely enjoyed the video or accidentally fell asleep with the YouTube on. Anyway, I'll happily take the view. So, if you'd like to support a wannabe YouTuber who is trying to convince his family this is a real job, then please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow, and it also convinces the YouTube that I'm not just talking to myself. And if you are curious to see one of Java's hidden gems, click the video waiting for you on the end screen. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one where we'll explore the nightlife of Indonesia. Until then, take care. Ciao.
Beneath, you're the devil in disguise.